Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi technology. In this video we will learn about page size. So this is very important video, so don't skip and watch carefully. So this is a very simple program in which we will create one PDF, and in that PDF we have one paragraph and the text is hello. So first let's run this. So this is the PDF in which we have one hello paragraph. So just press Ctrl D from your keyboard and you will see the default page size of iText. So it is 8.26 into 11.69 inch. But if we want any other page size, that we can achieve using this method that I am going to show you. So what you need to do, first you need to create one rectangle object so that you can create after this PDF writer. Rectangle, and make sure to select this iText PDF.kernel. My page size, okay. So we have one rectangle, its width is 700 and height is 1400. Now in this document initialization, just put comma here and new page size, and here we will put my page size object. Okay, so this is very simple, just run this. Now you can see we have this PDF. Again press Ctrl D, and now we have page size 9.72 into 19.44 inch. So how we can check this is correct or not? So just open calculator. So width is 9.72, 9. And we need to multiply this with 72 because the resolution is 72 ppi for this screen. Okay, so 99.72 multiply with 72 pixel per inch. So you can see the result is 699.84. It's approximately 700, and our width was 700. Same for the height. One 9.44 multiply by 72. Okay, so this is 1399.68, approximately 1400. Okay, so this is the way you can create custom page size. We have another way in which we can use predefined page size. So first we need to remove this and also this. Okay, so what we need to do next, using this PDF document object. PDF document dot set default page size, and here page size dot, and we have this predefined page size. Okay, so any we can use here, for example A5, and run. So now we have this page size. Press Ctrl D and you can see its size here. What if we want to create a page size in landscape? For example, this A5 size in the landscape mode. Okay, so what we need to do for that, we need to rotate this page, and we can just do one thing. After this A5 dot rotate. Okay, now you can see we have this rotated page. Okay, 8.26 into 5.83. So this method you can use to create default page size and also previous method for your desired page size. So this is enough for this video. Please subscribe and like and also share. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will continue our topic and generate a beautiful invoice. So meanwhile, please take care and bye.